Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a loading page in Webflow. First, create a new div block and name it Page Loader. This div should cover the entire viewport, set to 100% width and 100% height, with a high z-index like 999. Inside, add another div for your actual loading animation, perhaps a simple spinner or a logo. This setup ensures your loader is visible above all other content. Next, let's craft the visual animation for your loader. Within your Page Loader div, design a simple animation using a div block, an image, or an Lottie file. For instance, you could animate a square to rotate 360 degrees over 1 second. Set its initial state to 0% opacity and scale, then animate it to 100% opacity and scale over a short duration, perhaps 300 milliseconds, for a smooth entrance. Now, we'll connect this to a page load interaction. Go to the Interactions panel and create a new page load interaction. Select when page finishes loading as the trigger. For the Page Loader div, set an initial state of 0% opacity. Then, add an animation step to fade it out to 0% opacity over 500 milliseconds after a delay of about 2 seconds. This ensures your content is ready before the loader disappears. Finally, let's discuss best practices for a polished loading page. Keep your loader's assets lightweight to avoid slowing down the initial page load. Test the animation on different browsers and mobile devices to ensure a consistent experience. You might also add a small delay before the loader appears, perhaps 200 milliseconds, to prevent it from flashing if the page loads extremely quickly. This creates a more refined user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.